हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू। अभी हमने न्यूमेरिकल करा था लास्ट क्लास में। आई होप आपने उससे कुछ और करे होंगे। अब मैं आपको एक होमवर्क दे रहा हूँ, उसी को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिख दूंगा, आप वहां से देख लीजिएगा। मैं इसकी वैल्यू, क्वेश्चन इज दिस कि फॉर दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x डिस्प्लेसमेंट x इज इक्वल टू 18t प्लस 5t स्क्वायर। You have to calculate the instantaneous velocity at t equal to 2 second. कितने पे करनी है हमें? At t equal to 2 second. Instantaneous velocity at t equal. So what is the formula to calculate instantaneous velocity? V instantaneous is equal to dx upon dt. So you have to first differentiate this. Put it here, at value of x is here. So you get d by of dt or differentiation of 18t plus 5t square. Apply the formula dA plus b upon dt is equal to dA by dt plus differentiation of b with respect to t. So separate out these two. When you separate out these two, you will get d 18t upon dt. Sorry, this is d by differentiation of 18t with respect to t plus differentiation of 5t square with respect to t. Now constant term taking outside the differentiation. So when you take it this constant term outside the differentiation, what you will get? This is simply 18 differentiation of t with respect to t plus 5 differentiation of t square with respect to t. Differentiation is with power 1, here power 2. Differentiation of x to power n is nx, n minus 1. So it's finally you get 1 plus 5, here you get 2t. So this is comes out 18 plus 10t. So this is your instantaneous velocity of the given equation. Now your aim is to calculate instantaneous velocity t equal to 2 second. So substitute here value of t is 2. You get v instantaneous is equal to 18 plus 10 into 2. So this is 18 plus 20 is equal to 38. What is the unit? Meter per second. So V instantaneous velocity at t equal to 2 second is comes out 38 meter per second. This is your first part. Now second part is calculate the average velocity between t equal to 2 second to 3 second. Now you have to calculate the average velocity between 2 second to 3 second. So first part is over. Now our aim is to calculate average velocity, and to calculate average velocity we need displacement at t equal to 2 second and at t equal to 3 second. So first you have to calculate displacement at t equal to 2 second by using this given equation x is equal to 18t plus 5t square. कैलकुलेट करिए फटाफट, बताइए। तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट एट, क्या लिखेंगे? डिस्प्लेसमेंट at t equal to 2 second is given by, say it is x1. What is the value of x1? Now x1 is equal to 18t. What is t? 2 second plus 5. What is t? 2 whole square. Now solve करिए इसको. It is equal to 18 2 जा 36, 2 square 4, 4 5 जा 20. तो कितना आंसर आया भैया? 56. यूनिट बोला करो, विदाउट यूनिट योर आंसर इज इनकम्प्लीट. 56 मीटर. एनी डाउट अप टू दिस स्टेप? रॉन्ग है तो सही कर लीजिए, देखिए काम मिस्टेक करिए आपने, करेक्शन कर लीजिए. नाउ ये VT हमें चाहिएगा, कहीं लिख के रखना। x2 इज सिमिलरली हम क्या लिखेंगे, डिस्प्लेसमेंट, लैंग्वेज लिखना चाहिए एग्जाम में, एट t इक्वल टू 3 सेकेंड। तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट एट t इक्वल टू 3 सेकेंड, से इट इज x2। तो x2 is equal to, again apply this equation, 18 into t. What is the value of t now? 3. So put it here, 3 plus 5t square. So 5, what is the value of t? Now 3 square. Solve it. 18 3 जा, हैं
54.
क्या करते हो बेटा, 54 plus square of 3 is 9, 9 5 जा 45. Add these two value, what you will get? 45 and 54, 99 meter. So this is the value of x2. तो x1 आ गया हमारे पास और x2 आ गया. Now what is the formula of average velocity? Write down the formula. बोलिए.
Net displacement of
x2 minus x1 upon. Very good. So the average velocity, we know that average velocity is equal to x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1. Use this relation, calculate what is the value of x2. हमारे पास x2 आया था 99, so this is equal to 99 minus x1 is 56 upon t2 is 3 second, t1 is 2 second upon 2. Solve करिए. 43 meter, 9 पे 6 गए तो 3 and 9 5 40 and this meter per second. So the average velocity in between t2 3 second is 43 meter per second. This is your second part. Any doubt up to this step? बोलिए फटाफट, फिर थर्ड पार्ट करेंगे. Now third part is calculate instantaneous acceleration. You have to calculate instantaneous acceleration. So to calculate acceleration, first you differentiate this x with respect to t, you get the value of velocity. Then you again differentiate with respect to t, we will get the velocity of acceleration. So first part we have already done, that is v equal to dx by dt. जब आपने डिफरेंशिएट करा था तो आपको मिला था 18 प्लस 10t. आया था कि क्वेश्चन में अपना 18 प्लस 10t. वेरी गुड. तो ये हो गया वेलोसिटी. अब आपको क्या निकालना है, कैलकुलेट. आवर एम इज टू फाइंड आउट एक्सेलरेशन. तो एक्सेलरेशन इज dv by dt. This is called instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration is dv by dt. So this d by dt, what is v? This one. This is the value of v. 18 plus 10t. Substitute this value of v here and differentiate it with respect to t by the same way as you have to find out velocity. So this two part again separate out. So this is equal to differentiation of 18 with respect to t plus differentiation of 10t with respect to t. अब इसको डिफरेंशिएट कीजिए. When you differentiate it, differentiation of constant term always 0, it is equal to 0. This 10 is common, multiplied taking outside, so it become 10 and dt by dt. And differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So this finally you can say 10. So acceleration of the given equation is 10 meter per second square. This is your final answer. Thank you very much. कमेंट कीजिए आपको कैसा लगा. कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो उसमें लिख दीजिए, मैं उस पर वीडियो बना के अपलोड कर दूंगा. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.